Have you ever wondered how one man's silence changed the voice of an entire world? Today we bringing you the inspiring story of Gautam Buddha, a prince who renounced his kingdom and became the light of peace for millions. The story begins over 2500 years ago in Lumbini, a small village in present-day Nepal. A royal baby was born to King Suddhodana and Queen Maya of the Sakya dynasty. He was named Siddhartha, meaning one who achieved his goal. But the moment he was born, sages predicted this child will either become a great king or a great spiritual leader. Young Siddhartha lived in unimaginable luxury inside the places of Kapilavastu. His father made sure he never saw pain, suffering, old age, or death. He married a beautiful princess Yasodhara and had a son named Rahul. But deep inside, Siddhartha felt a strange emptiness, a pull toward trust that wealth could not fulfill. At the age of 29, he stepped out of his palace for the first time. What he saw changed his life forever. An old man, a sick man, a dead body, and finally a peaceful monk. That very night, while the kingdom slept, Siddhartha kissed his newborn son goodbye, left his wife, his crown, and his royal robes, and walked into the forest in search of truth. For 6 long years he meditated, fasted, and followed extreme spiritual practice, but nothing gave him the answer where he sought. Finally, Siddhartha sat under a Bodhi tree in Bodh Gaya, India, and vowed, I shall not rise until I find the truth. For 49 days he meditated deeply, fighting his own fear, desires, and illusions. And then enlightenment dawned. Siddhartha had become the Buddha, the awakened one. The Buddha spent the next 45 years walking across India, teaching compassion, mindfulness, and the middle path, a way between extreme luxury and extreme pain. His first sermon at Sarnath became the foundation of Buddhism. His followers grew from monks and kings to ordinary peoples. He accepted all regardless of caste or gender. At the age of 80, Gautam Buddha passed away in Kushinagar, achieving Mahaparinirvana, freedom from the cycle of birth and death. He taught us that true peace lies not in wealth but in wisdom, not in power but in compassion. Across the world, his statue stands not as monuments but as reminders that one peaceful mind can light up the entire world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories from history.